If you're choosing between Alcove and Boring Notch, this isn't just notch utility versus notch utility. It's productivity features versus minimalist convenience. So which one is actually better? Let's break it down. Alcove focuses on turning your max notch into a productivity space. It adds widgets, quick action shortcuts, and ways to interact with the notch beyond simple media controls. For users who want extra functionality, it can make the notch feel more useful. But here's the catch. More features also mean more complexity and a busier interface. Boring Notch takes the opposite approach. It focuses on keeping the notch simple by adding lightweight controls and quick access tools without dramatically changing your workflow. Many users like it because it feels cleaner and less distracting. The downside is that it doesn't offer the same depth of customization and features as Alcove. So, which one is actually better? Choose Alcove if you want more widgets, shortcuts, and productivity tools. Choose Boring Notch if you want a lightweight experience with minimal setup. Bottom line, for most users, Boring Notch is the easier choice because it stays out of the way and feels cleaner. But if you want to turn your notch into an actual productivity tool, Alcove offers more functionality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.